Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. This is Teresa, your English teacher. Hope all are doing good. In this session, we are going to talk about the lesson, the fun they had. Before we start the lesson, let me ask you a few questions. How many of you are missing school? Yes, I know many of us are missing school. What we are missing but the fun we had with our friends, the naughtiness in school we did, the motivation things that we received from our teachers, the correction that has come from teachers. Yes, studying has a part is still going on when we are there when we are there at home, right? But what about the other aspects of personality that is along with education that is taught in school? The aim of the education is to educate overall development of our personality, and what all comes in that? Physical, moral, social development, right? And this happens only when we come together. This is possible only in school, not at home, where we have different events, celebrations in which we all participate, right? And I know all are missing it. So, as we move on to study the lesson, we will be more connected, keeping in mind the present situation that today we are in. And what is the situation that we are facing? Yes, we are quarantined at home. So, today in this lesson, first we are going to talk about the author, the fun they had. This lesson is written by the author Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov was born on January 2, 1920 in Russia. He moved to USA with his family and became a biochemistry professor. Asimov was prolific and varied writer. Apart from science fiction, he was also known for writing books on astronomy, biology, mathematics, religion, and biography. Over the course of his career, he won several awards. At the age of 72, Asimov died in New York City on April 6, 1992 from heart and kidney failure. So this is all about the author. Now we are going to see the theme of the story. The present story unfolds the picture of the future school where the mechanical teacher will teach the students and book will be meaningless at that time. Actually, the students will learn only from e-book and the class test will be conducted online. They will get the hard books only kept in the library. Of course, this future school will be quite different from our present school and the old school. And now we are going to see the intro of this lesson, the fun they had. Before you read, recall some of your school experience you had when you were 11 years old and compare your own school experience with Margie. Now here, Margie is a character that we are going to see in this lesson. We are going to talk about her. The first, the fun they had. The title itself makes us understand that the fun that has happened in past, it is a futuristic story that is set in 2157. What does it mean? It shows how the world could be in 2157. The story deals with a boy and a girl. The main characters in this lessons are 11-year-old girl named Margie and the other characters are Tommy, who is 13-year-old boy, the county inspector, a round little man with red face and a whole box of dials and wires. Third, Mrs. Jones, Margie's mother, and the robotic teacher. The story is about the girl and a boy, Margie and Tommy. They found a real book and they learned how school were different in past and present. The story tells about future, so for them, future becomes present right now. The fun that the children had at that time, did they had fun and what kind of fun did they had at that time when they went to school and learned with other kids? So, we can see our present situation right now and relate it well to future life. The story starts by saying Tommy found a real book. Where he found the book, he found it in the attic of his house. Attic means a storeroom where we keep our stuff. Tommy thinks book is a waste compared to television. So now if we see around, all are engrossed in television, internet instead of reading books. Today also we see reading books are online. Very few are there who read books. Margie thought TV are better than books. Tommy told her book was about school. Margie was scornful. She hated school. School here refers to the computerized school, not like the school where you and me went, right? The mechanical teacher gives the test after test, so the teacher is not human like me. The teacher is a mechanical robot. Margie hated school. Why? Lessons were shown on a big screen, questions were asked, homework and test papers given on it. Just solve it and put back the question paper. There was no human communication as we are doing today. There was no connection between student and teacher, no motivation for students because they had robotic teacher, not the human teacher. Margie thought about the incident when her mom took her and the robotic teacher to the county inspector. Margie hoped that the inspector wouldn't know how to put it all together again. Then we see that Margie was doubtful. Why would anyone write about school? She asked Tommy. Tommy, in a superior, explained to her about the old school system. He is giving an explanation about the old school so we can also recollect our memories, the time when we used to go to school. So the situation is almost nearly like Tommy and Margie. Margie was amused by the fact that the old school had a human as a teacher. So now, Margie was not sure that a man could teach children. She could not understand the idea of human teaching human. We think that smartphones are better than teachers because they have more knowledge than teachers. In the same way, Margie is thinking, how can a human being teach other human? They cannot have the knowledge as robotic teacher has. She was amused by the new knowledge about the old school. But by that time her mom called her that it's time for school. Here her school means the teaching with her robotic teacher. Margie went into the schoolroom thinking about the fun they had in the old school. So from this chapter, the fun they had, the author is trying to convey us the message. He is warning us about the computerized schooling at home that will keep students away from teachers, the personal interaction between teachers and students. We have friends around us. We fight, we adjust, and we also love. There we learn to share, care about each other. About teachers, there is interaction we have with our teachers, the motivation we get from them. The robotic teachers can't do this. Why? Because it is run by machine. A human can understand the feeling of human, not the machine. The way teachers love their student, robots cannot do that. They are made of machines. No human feelings, no human touch, no human interaction. Teachers makes the lesson enjoyable by interaction, or else you would feel bored. There is only passive teaching, not the active involvement of the student. Teaching should be the two-way process where the students participate. There should be input and output both. Even teachers, they learn a lot of things from students, so it is a two-way process. Though we may have technologies, machines in front of us, but as a human, we need interaction, communication, motivation from each other. And this happens only when we come together, when we share, when we care, when we love, and when we can learn together. And this is what exactly the author wants to convey the message to you and me from this chapter. I hope this lesson was helpful to you. Thank you.